Last episode on this $400 Fiesta, we tried to get it to start, and unfortunately we had to replace the starter. So in the process of that, we made a huge mess, messing with stuff we did not want to mess with. Then when we finally get the car to start, well, unfortunately it did start to smoke very bad, so we had to cut it off, order some more parts, and the parts finally came in. And we're back with another video. As you can see, we still got the Fiesta behind us. Now, if you're not hip to this project already, this is maybe like the third video of this car, and so far we replaced pretty much all the front end, right? And got the radiator back in its place, but now we have to do the AC compressor. So pretty much it's broken and we need to put the new one on. So as you can see, we outside working with it again as usual. We have to get this tire off so we can get into the wheel well and, you know, get to work. So let's do it. So right here, I'm just taking off a tire. You already know how simple taking off a tire is, but I do want to let you guys know you can always go on my channel and look at my how-to car repair videos. If you're trying to figure out how to do any simple car repairs on your car, I'm pretty sure I got it on my channel, so check it out. All right, so here's what we're looking at. As you can see, that's the belt. If you can get up under there a little bit more, as you can see, the rubber piece that's sticking out, the AC, that's the part we're replacing. But as you can see, this is where the belt goes. But now we just got to find a tensioner to loosen up the pressure on the belt and go ahead and take this off. And then we can go ahead and start unbolting the actual AC compressor. So come to find out, the Fiesta actually doesn't have a tensioner that you can release the tension on the belt. So I just end up cutting the belt off. That's what you usually have to do. But always be careful when cutting the belt off because it does have tension on the belt. So make sure you wear your safety gear at all times. So I want to show you guys what a bad serpentine belt looks like. You see all these cracks, all these burn marks, all these rips on this belt here. Well, that's just not right there in this one place. It's all the way around the belt. You see right here is cracks right there too as well. This is a sign of a very bad serpentine belt. You do not want this on your car. You need to replace it because it's liable to break anywhere. Okay, now that we have the serpentine belt off, we can locate all the bolts that we need to take out this AC compressor. So here's a few of the bolts here that I'm pointing at, and it actually doesn't look like a bad job. So we about to go ahead and disassemble this thing. Make sure you be safe when taking apart an AC compressor because of course it has pressure in it, so you need to release the pressure first. All right, so we finally got it done. Well, not all the way done. We got the old piece out. Here it is right here. As you can see, the gasket inside went bad, so pretty sure that stopped it from rotating. But here's the old one. This is what it looks like. Always remember, man, when you're dealing with the AC unit, be careful. You're really not supposed to let that stuff out into the ozone because it destroys the ozone. But welcome to America. Anyways, here's the new one, well, the used one. So let's put this in. It's pretty much the reverse process of taking it out. And after that, we should be pretty much done. Slip the belt on, and hopefully it cranks and runs without smoking. I think the only reason it was smoking because it was burning the belt. The belt wasn't rotating, it was just sliding across the old AC compressor. So let's get back to work. Now, while I got everything loose, well, just the AC compressor loose, I'm gonna see if I can get that belt on there. They say we need a special tool to put it on there. As you can see earlier, the last one, the old one, I cut off. Now the new one, like I say, it's a little bit loose right now, so I'm gonna see if I can put it on there without this special tool. Other than that, you know, we're gonna figure it out, but let's try anyways. So replacing the belt on the car is super easy. You just slip it over the pulley, the AC compressor, and the alternator. But unfortunately for me, I tried for maybe about 30 minutes or so, and I just gave up and I left to go get the special tool from the store. And of course, they didn't have it in the location that I went to, so I had to drive around to get it. So with that being said, that's it for this video.
Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Make sure you check out the previous videos, and I'm going to see you in the next one.